Hello everyone! I hope you are doing well. Today we will have a story, Snow Monkeys. Today our lesson contents are the story, Snow Monkeys, then we will review vocabulary and do activities. Let's get started. Dear students, it is listening time. Listen to the story attentively. After that, you will answer some questions.
Snow monkeys.
This is in Japan in the winter. It's very cold and snowy. Lots of snow monkeys live here. Look at these snow monkeys. They like to eat in the morning. Then they go in the water. It's cold outside, but the water is nice and warm. The baby snow monkeys play all day. In the evening, they go to sleep. What other animals live in the snow?
Dear friends, it's time to answer the questions. What is the name of the story? Sunny monkeys or snow monkeys? What do you think? Yes, you're right. The correct answer is snow monkeys. Where do they live? In Japan? In England? Yes, the correct answer is in Japan. Well done. Dear friends, let's review the words mentioned in the story. Repeat after me. Morning, morning, evening, evening, cold, cold, snow, snow. Dear friends, it is activity time. Match the sentences. Pause the video, try to solve it. Now let's check. Let's read the first sentence. The snow monkeys like to eat in the morning. It's very cold and snowy in winter. Well done. Now everyone, let's move on to the next activity. Choose the correct answer. Pause the video, read the sentences, and try to find the correct one. Now let's check. The baby snow monkeys play or swim all day. What do you think? The correct answer is play. The baby snow monkeys play all day. Let's read the second one. The water is cold or warm. What do you think? Yes, the water is warm. Well done. Dear friends, it is the last activity. Choose yes or no. Pause the video, read the sentences attentively, and try to choose yes or no. Now let's check. Snow monkeys live in China. Yes or no? No. Snow monkeys live in Japan. Snow monkeys eat in the morning. Yes or no? Yes. It's cold outside, but water is warm. Is it yes or no? It's yes. Good job.
Let's start with a listening and reading activity.
A winter walk in the forest. It is a beautiful winter day. Let's explore the forest. Everywhere is covered with a thick white blanket of snow, making everything look so quiet and peaceful. As we walk, our boots crunch on the frosty ground. The trees stand tall and still, their branches heavy with snow. Let's see what animals we can find in this magical, snowy world. Look, there is a big dark cave. The bears are sleeping inside. They have been sleeping for a long time, all cozy and warm. They will wake up in spring when the sun is warm again and the flowers start to grow. They are resting now, waiting for the cold season to end. Listen. The wolves are howling. Their calls echo through the silent trees. They are grey and white, their thick fur keeping them warm. They are very hungry and cannot find food easily in the snow, so they howl to talk to their pack members and look for their next meal together. Their howls remind us that even in the quiet of winter, the forest is alive. Do you hear that? A little scratching sound comes from the trees. The squirrels are there. They look for nuts they hid in autumn. They have to dig through the snow and use their amazing sense of smell to find their buried treasure. They are so clever and busy, always preparing. And look, the rabbits are hopping. Their fur is sometimes white, so they can blend in with the snow and hide from other animals. They make tiny footprints in the snow as they move quickly and quietly. They look so cute and fluffy as they hop along the path. Winter is cold, but the forest is full of animals. They are strong and smart, and they find ways to live in the snow. They have thick fur, special homes, and clever ways to find food. They all work hard to stay safe and warm until spring arrives. The forest never truly sleeps, and every animal has a part to play in this big, snowy world.